Milo, what are you doing? Did you get your head stuck? Huh? Got your head stuck in the hole that you chewed in the bottom of your bed, huh? Yeah? Where'd you go? Milo. Milo. Where'd you go? You're in a pickle now, aren't you? Milo. It's your fault. Shouldn't have chewed a hole. You want a cookie? Milo. Where'd you go? Milo. My goodness. Pull your head. Come on, pull. Pull. Are you stuck? Milo, God, are you kidding me? Pull. Come on. Pull. Come on. Pull. Milo, you're in so much trouble. Oh my goodness. Come on, it's not that small. Pull. Guess who's not getting a bed anymore? Nope. You're in trouble. You're in trouble. Don't argue. No more bed. No. You're getting a towel instead. Just one towel. That's it. You can't suck up now. Milo. What do you say? Are you sorry? Milo. Are you sorry? Are you sorry? Because you're not getting another bed. No.